In this video, we will learn about temperature and its units. We will also get to know about latent heat. Mr. Anand Shukla from Puran Chandra Vidyaniketan will tell us more about this topic.
Temperature. What is temperature? The temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness is called temperature. Now, how can we measure the temperature? Temperature is measured by the instrument which is called thermometer. What are the scales of temperature? The temperature is measured in three scales: degree Celsius or degree centigrade, Kelvin scale or degree Fahrenheit. What is the relation in this? The relation between degree Celsius and Kelvin is T degree Celsius is equal to T plus 273 Kelvin. Now, if temperature is given in Kelvin scale, then it can be converted into degree Celsius by the relation T Kelvin is equals to T minus 273 degree Celsius. What is absolute temperature? Absolute temperature is the 0 Kelvin. 0 Kelvin, that is minus 273 degrees Celsius, is the absolute temperature. So it is called absolute temperature because below that no temperature is possible. That's why this is known as the absolute temperature. Now the relation between degree Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. This is F minus 32 upon 9 is equal to C upon 5. Let us explain this with one example. Suppose question is at what temperature degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit scale will be same. Now let the temperature is X degree Celsius. Let the temperature be X. Put the value of X. X minus 32 upon 9 is equal to X upon 5. It implies 5X minus 160 is equal to 9X. 5X minus 9X is equal to 160. That is minus 4X is equal to 160. So X is equal to minus 40. Means minus 40 degree Celsius is equal to minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. So these are the scales in which the temperature can be measured, and this is the interconvertible. Now, how can we change the state of a matter? The state of the matter, the physical state of the matter can be changed: 1. By changing the temperature, 2. By changing the pressure, 3. By changing both temperature and the pressure. Now, what is this change of the state of the matter? Means when the physical state of a matter, it changes from solid to liquid or liquid to gaseous state, is known as the change of the state of matter. The temperature at which a liquid starts boiling is called the boiling point. The boiling point of the liquid is measured with the help of thermometer. With the help of thermometer, when the temperature is measured, one stage will come when the temperature, when the heat energy is continuously supplying, but still the thermometer scale, it does not goes up. So where this heat is gone? That heat is gone to convert the state of the matter. That is known as the latent heat. So latent heat is used to convert the state of the matter. There are two types of latent heat. One, latent heat of vaporization. Two, latent heat of fusion. let us come first latent heat of vaporization. It is the amount of heat energy required to change the state of unit mass of a substance, unit mass of a substance into liquid at its boiling point. That is known as the latent heat of vaporization. It is denoted by LV. Now, latent heat of fusion. Fusion or the melting. It is the amount of heat energy required to convert unit mass of a solid into its liquid state at its melting point is known as the latent heat of fusion or latent heat of melting. So, this is the latent heat is also known as the hidden heat. Hidden means this is the additional amount of heat energy. Just for example, 0 degree Celsius of ice and 0 degree Celsius of water. Whose effect will be more? Cooling effect of 0 degree Celsius ice will be more than the 0 degree Celsius of water. Similarly, 100 degree Celsius of water and 100 degree Celsius of steam, which one will cause severe burn? 100 degree Celsius steam causes severe burn because here there is the extra amount of heat energy involved. So, its effect is more than the 100 degree Celsius of water.
Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Temperature can be measured in various units that may be common or SI units. The degree Celsius is the most commonly used unit to measure temperature. The laboratory thermometer and the clinical thermometer are both calibrated on Celsius scale of temperature. Even the temperature measured in Kelvin or degree Fahrenheit can be related to the degree Celsius value. The temperature values in different units can be related as follows. The relation between Kelvin scale and Celsius scale can be written as temperature on Kelvin scale is equal to temperature on Celsius scale plus 273. Absolute zero temperature is equal to 0 Kelvin, that is equal to minus 273 degrees Celsius. Relation between degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Degree Celsius is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 upon 9. The temperature at which both degree Fahrenheit and degree Celsius values are same is minus 40, that is minus 40 degree Fahrenheit is equal to minus 40 degrees Celsius. We can change the state of matter in three ways: by changing the temperature, by changing the pressure, by changing both temperature and pressure. The temperature at which a liquid starts boiling and changes into gas at atmospheric pressure is called the boiling point of the liquid. The extra heat which does not raise the temperature of a substance is called the latent heat. This latent heat, also called hidden heat, is used to change the state of the substance. The heat required to change the unit mass of a solid to liquid without any change in temperature is called the latent heat of fusion. The heat required to change the unit mass of a liquid to gas without any change in temperature is called latent heat of vaporization.
For more such videos, log on to CBSE section of jagranjosh.com.